Hello everyone, my name is Arna Patel and I'm a junior at MFA Maine. My project is called Hudson Connect and I'm excited to share how it helps communities discover and connect with local resources. Hudson Connect is a community-focused web app that helps residents find local services and resources. Whether someone needs food assistance or even transportation support, Hudson Connect is a welcoming interface accessible for all. Designed to be accessible, supportive, and deeply connected with its community. The language I used was JavaScript for the interactivity within the web, HTML and CSS to create and decorate the front end of my web app. I also incorporated Leaflet into my project to create a collaborative map in Hudson Connect offers an interactive map that helps users find essential local services with the option to filter by category for quick navigation. There is also a space to recommend suggestions on the app or to even add a service. Hudson Connect is user-friendly and can be used with ease. Many people don't know where to find help, even if it's close by. I wanted to create something simple and welcoming that would make support visible and accessible for the whole community. Hudson Connect is my way of contributing to the community and helping bring people together. Now let's dive into the demonstration of. This is some of the code I used in reference to the app. Now this is the first page of Hudson Connect. After you get started, it will bring you to the Resource Navigator page where you can see all the services posted. You can filter by a specific category to pinpoint the exact resource you need. Then we can move on to the map page. This is where New York's 18th Congressional District is highlighted with the major cities marked. The services posted on the previous page can be shown on this map to make it easy to use and locate those services. You can also filter by category here to meet all the specific needs. Now moving on to the suggestion page, which allows you to add a service or improvement you would like to be noted. Lastly, this About page explains everything Hudson Connect stands for. That's it. Hope you enjoyed Hudson Connect.